Today we're cooking craft sausages from Boarri Craft Butchery. Guys, got some beautiful sausages from right here in Corpus Christi, Texas. We're on vacation, we're at the beach. We're gonna cook these up. Let me show you what we got and let's see if we can get them onto this grill real quick. Now, this is called go-go. It's a pork blend with onion, green onion, and garlic. It's about 1/3 of a pound. They're craft sausages, guys. They are $6.99 a pound, which I think is a fantastic price for a craft sausage. A lot of work goes into that. Get this one out, let y'all see it. We got 3 links of each one we're doing, but there's the green. You can see some of the green onion in there, but green onion, white onion, garlic. I'm gonna get on this grill right here. So, right there. Here's our other 2 today. Mean green, that has pepper jack cheese in it, and it's got New Mexico chilies in it, and of course a jalapeno and cheese. And I think that mean green also has brisket. Could be wrong, but I believe I remember that right. I picked out 3 different sausages. So the go-go, no, that's a pork blend. Go-go's pork blend. Okay. So this is the mean green with the New Mexico chilies, and if I'm not mistaken, a brisket blend, and it's got the pepper jack cheese. And look here, here's our jalapeno and cheese. Looks pretty. These are all about 1/3 pound a piece, so this is only about a $7 meal that we're fixing to have. And we'll have some left over, but beans are inside. Close this up and see if we can get these smoked up. About 30 minutes. We're 30 minutes into this sausage cooking. So I'm gonna pick it up and turn it over. This is the go-go. This is the mean green. And then the jalapeno and cheese. It's cooking up well. It's covered up and let it cook some more. We're 45 minutes in. These are ready to go. Let's pick them up. You can see this one's a little bit lighter. That's our all pork blend. That's the go-go with the garlic, white onion, and green onion. There's our Monterey Jack cheese. If you look at it, you can see it there with the Hatch green chilies. And I believe that's a brisket sausage. And then our jalapeno and cheese. But it's looked pretty. It's cooked all the way through. So we'll get it down there, get these inside, give them a sample, tell you what we think. Well, here you have it. The Boarri Craft Meats. We're going to try each one of their sausages, starting off with the go-go. So it's a pork blend, garlic. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, moist. Garlic, onion, and green onion. So the green we're seeing in here. Let's see here, right there. Let's take a look at it. Give you that. It is, look at there, nice and moist. We did go to temp. So let's check these out and see how they are. Give it a try. Ready, babe? Good sausage. I like that. Now we'll go to the Monterey Jack one. I don't remember the name. Oh yeah, the green, mean green. So, Hatch chilies and Monterey Jack cheese. And I think it's pepper jack even maybe, but. And brisket. Give you a close up here. All right, let's give that one a try. That darkness tells me it was an all beef, so I think this is the brisket one. Whoa, that's good. $6.99 a pound for all their sausages. That's excellent. Jalapeno and cheese. You can see the cheese throughout it. They're using a high temp cheese. Here we go. You can see the jalapenos in there. So there's Libby. She loves jalapeno and cheese. So we'll give this one a try. Got a little smoke ring around it. About 45 minutes on the grill is what it took us. Good. Good cheddar. Yeah. Well, there you have it. Some great sausages from Boarri Craft Meats here on Staples. I think it's like 600 South Staples here in Corpus. Give them a try. Their sausage was fantastic. They got a good variety of meat. And we are having this for my birthday, so that's exciting. That's going to be some great sausage. The kids are ready for it. I can show you what else we have here. Look at this. I've got some beautiful country style ribs. Got those cooked up. Be looking for that video. Libby made some homemade potato salad. There's only a few of us, but she's leaving the rest for the kids. And we got a big pot of pinto beans. So it's going to be a good eating, a nice birthday. Thanks for stopping by. I always appreciate it. Check out my other videos. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And come back and see me. I'm Chef Johnny, and this is Texas Barbecue. We'll see y'all down the road. So long, everybody.